You're listening to Locanuku.com, localization news you can use. This chart tracks the global language services market as it reaches a $76 billion valuation by 2025. The data shows a widening gap between two distinct paths: machine-driven automation and human-led consulting. Competing with machines on raw output is no longer a viable business strategy. Navigating this market requires an immediate transition toward high-level data governance and intercultural consulting. Artificial intelligence is driving down the cost of basic translation while simultaneously acting as a catalyst for massive increases in total content creation. These shifting economics are forcing a move away from generalized service models. At the enterprise level, Welo Global has restructured into 5 segment-focused sub-brands, isolating a division for regulated life sciences. This revenue concentration mirrors top providers like TransPerfect and LanguageLine Solutions, whose U.S. growth is sustained by strict healthcare and legal regulatory demands. Maintaining a competitive edge now requires domain-specific compliance and tailored operating models rather than high-volume generic translation. This chart compares the reasoning capabilities of new enterprise AI architectures. GraphRag models are achieving a 46% performance gain in complex multi-hop reasoning over standard vector baselines. Integration is reaching the hardware and workflow level. Tools like TimeKettle's specialized earbuds are addressing real-world spoken translation, while Blackbird.io is being deployed to orchestrate complex language operations. However, rapid adoption without governance creates severe liabilities. A recent breach at the AI startup Mercor exposed 4 terabytes of intimate user data. This leak provided bad actors with a biometric dataset of faces and voices, perfect for training hyper-realistic deepfakes. Speed without security is a corporate hazard. Regulated sectors are moving towards sovereign encrypted infrastructure like Devanagari AI to maintain strict data control within the workflow. Tools like Gemini Gems and Crowding Copilot are automating rote formatting and eliminating QA false positives. This shifts the linguist's focus away from administrative tasks. This shift enables the rise of the intercultural consultant. In this role, professionals focus on strategic market entry positioning and the cultural buyer psychology that drives conversion. Standardizing quality is also becoming more structured. This decision tree shows Terry Lee's 3-part taxonomy, which categorizes localization bugs into functional, linguistic, and cultural issues to align cross-functional teams. The maturation of the sector is evident at the highest institutional levels. The International Criminal Court is currently hiring a head of the Situation Languages Unit to manage high-stakes judicial interpretation and translation. Success for agencies and individuals involves moving away from per-word billing to monetizing strategic consulting and proprietary quality assurance methodologies. The language industry is moving toward a model where automated operational systems and human cultural expertise function as a single unit. The most resilient entities in this market are those deploying AI for operational structure while using specialized human insight to audit the results for cultural strategy and compliance. That's today's localization news you can use from Locanuku.com. Visit Locanuku.com for more tools, tips, and localization updates you can actually use.